Hey guys, how is it going? Lightning Shocker is back with another video, guys. Where today, guys? Part 2 of the Ferrari 488 GTE Lego Technic build. And yeah, let's just get straight into it. No more talking, let's go. Okay, so this is today's setup. So here is the car, my entertainment, all of the parts, some more parts, and these actually look nice. They're like a transparent thing. I thought they weren't going to be transparent, but they actually are. Mad. And they're this window type, so that's weird, but okay. And yeah, there's a lot to go through. Blue tack now holding that up further up, so now I have a bit more room. And yeah, let's get started with pack 3. Okay, update. Pack 3 is finished. Moving on to pack 4, but first a little update. In the rear, let me just change this. In the rear, there is absolutely no change. In the middle, we now have an interior. Look at that, so much carbon everywhere. And in the front is where the entire changes, because now we have an entire car. Let's go. Okay, moving on. Pack 4. Okay, guys, we have completed pack number 4. In the morning I will, because it's currently night time, in the morning I will continue with this because my phone is about to die. It's on 5%, just charged it up to 6%. But a small update, we have got the sides, the rear complete now. Oh, they got 5%. The rear is done, almost. The front is complete. I mean, I think it is. I'm not sure what's going to happen with this, or if that's not meant to be like that. I will... No, it is meant to be like that. Okay, so something I think is going to happen with that. This phone honestly looks amazing. That phone is also almost dead. I moved the C here because I realized that I put it in the wrong place. Added the two sides, and then I started on the side intakes, just as in the instructions. And yeah, tomorrow, or for you guys, it will be in the next clip. I will get started on pack 5, which is the last pack. Let's go. Or yeah. Hey guys, so this will be the end of the video. There will be a part 3 though. Day 3. Can I can also say, and the reason why is because it is a 3-pack part. So there's 3 bags labeled 5, and I've seen, and that is the final pack, and we've still got the doors, the wheels, the roof, and the engine compartment to do, plus the other seat. So that's going to, if I was to start now, I would not finish part 5, or not pack 5. So I will leave that to the next video. And yeah, that is this video. But on that note, if you guys have enjoyed this video, then please make sure to leave a good like, subscribe down below, leave a notification bell next to that to get notified for when I next upload. It is every Sunday, by the way. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.